Welcome. In this tutorial, we will be covering how to watch past Utah Transportation Conference sessions. First, scroll down the page and find the Utah Transportation Conference section, and then click on View Sessions. To view the 2023 sessions, we'll come on down and click on the View 2023 Sessions button. If I wanted to watch past UDOT Transportation Conference sessions, I'd just scroll down a little bit, click on the year that I want to view, and then click on Watch 2018 sessions. But for this example, let's go ahead and stick with the 2023 sessions. To view all of the sessions, we'll want to click on Learning Catalog. And then from here, we're going to want to try and find a session that we want to view. So we'll click on the title, and then click on Launch. Now to watch the session, under Launch URL, we're going to click on the YouTube link. And from here, we're going to want to watch the entire session in order to receive our continuing education credits. When we're done watching it, we'll go ahead and close the window. And then we will mark complete, add a comment, and then click on Submit. And now that we are done watching the video, we will want to click on the orange menu button here and click on Breakout Session Acknowledgement. We will hit Yes. Go ahead and click on Start. And it's going to ask just a short question on what you learned during the breakout session. Here we'll hit Next. We will acknowledge that I did watch the video. Click Next, and then hit Submit. Go ahead and exit. Now I'm going to close the window. Hit Close Player. And then from here, to print my certificate or to download it, we'll hit Print Certificate. If you have any more questions about the UDOT Learning Portal, please contact us at UDOTU@utah.gov. Thank you.